I'm Miles Odell. I'm going to show you how to slice some lox today. We get the whole fillet so we can hand slice our lox. For me, this leads to a superior product. I use a long and thin slicing blade. It has a lot of flexibility that allows us to have more precision when we're slicing the fish. Step one, we're going to take the belly off. Step two, we're going to remove any extra skin or fat around the meat. Step three, we're going to start slicing. So this fish has been smoked for over 24 hours. When it's smoking, it creates a pellicle on top. The first slice is only pellicle. That doesn't have a great texture, so we're going to remove that piece. The angle of the slice matters. As you can see, the head portion of the fish is a lot thicker than the tail. So as we get to the tail, we're going to fan the knife. Oh, let me start. So we'll start on this angle from the head, and as the fish gets thinner, it will be almost flat when we're finished. We partnered with a smokehouse to create this recipe. They smoke it for us because it's a pain in the ass to do it ourselves.